Have you ever wondered if the plants in your home could tell a story? Around the world, many beautiful plants are believed to symbolize love, luck, hope, peace, strength, and new beginnings. Some are treasured for their stunning leaves, while others are admired for breathtaking flowers. But each one carries a special meaning that has been passed down through generations. Whether you're decorating your home, looking for the perfect gift, or simply love indoor gardening, these meaningful plants can add beauty and inspiration to your space. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most beautiful plants with powerful symbolism and discover what makes each one unique. Stay until the end, because the final plant is one of the most meaningful and beloved plants across many cultures. Let's begin our journey through nature's most symbolic and beautiful plants. 1. Peace Lily. Peace and harmony. The peace lily is one of the most elegant houseplants you can grow. Its glossy green leaves and graceful white flowers create a calm and relaxing atmosphere in any room. Symbolically, the peace lily represents peace, purity, healing, and harmony. Many people place it in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices to create a peaceful environment and reduce stress. Besides its symbolic meaning, the peace lily is also known for helping improve indoor air quality. It thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys slightly moist soil. Even beginners can successfully grow this beautiful plant with minimal effort. Whether you're giving it as a thoughtful gift or adding it to your own collection, the peace lily reminds us to stay calm, embrace balance, and create a home filled with positive energy. 2. Orchid love and luxury. Orchids are admired worldwide for their breathtaking flowers and graceful appearance. These exotic plants symbolize love, beauty, elegance, luxury, and prosperity. In many cultures, orchids are considered a sign of refined taste and lasting affection, making them a popular gift for weddings, anniversaries, and special celebrations. Their blooms can last for weeks or even months with proper care, adding long-lasting beauty to your home. Orchids prefer bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining orchid bark instead of regular potting soil. They also appreciate moderate humidity and careful watering. Every time an orchid blooms, it reminds us that patience and proper care often lead to extraordinary beauty. Their delicate flowers inspire confidence, appreciation, and lasting happiness. 3. Lucky bamboo. Good fortune and success. Lucky bamboo has become one of the most popular plants associated with good luck, prosperity, and positive energy. Although it isn't actually bamboo, its upright green stalks are believed to attract success and financial abundance. According to Feng Shui traditions, different numbers of stalks represent different blessings, including happiness, wealth, health, and longevity. Lucky bamboo grows well in water or soil and requires very little maintenance, making it ideal for homes and offices. It thrives in bright, indirect light and clean water if grown hydroponically. Many people place it near entrances or workspaces as a symbol of new opportunities and continuous growth. Its simple beauty and powerful symbolism make lucky bamboo a favorite gift for birthdays, business openings, and housewarming celebrations. 4. Jade Plant. The jade plant is famous for its thick, glossy leaves that resemble small green coins. Because of this appearance, it has become a symbol of wealth, prosperity, friendship, and long-term success. Many business owners keep jade plants near entrances or cash registers, believing they attract financial opportunities and positive energy. This succulent is also incredibly easy to care for, making it perfect for beginners. It loves bright sunlight and only needs watering when the soil becomes completely dry. With proper care, a jade plant can live for decades, becoming a treasured family plant, passed from one generation to another. Its steady growth reminds us that patience, consistency, and careful nurturing often lead to lasting rewards. 5. Lavender, calm, and relaxation. Lavender is loved not only for its beautiful purple flowers, but also for its soothing fragrance. Throughout history, it has symbolized calmness, serenity, healing, and devotion. Many people grow lavender near windows, patios, or gardens to create a peaceful atmosphere and attract beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. Indoors, dried lavender flowers are often placed in bedrooms to encourage relaxation and restful sleep. Lavender thrives in full sunlight and well-draining soil, requiring relatively little maintenance once established. Its pleasant aroma has made it a favorite in essential oils, candles, and herbal products. Every bloom reminds us to slow down, appreciate quiet moments, and care for our mental well-being in today's busy world. 6. Rose, love, and passion. Few flowers are as universally recognized as the rose. For centuries, roses have represented love, romance, beauty, courage, and deep emotional connection. Different colors carry different meanings. Red roses symbolize passionate love. White roses represent purity and new beginnings. Pink roses express admiration and gratitude, while yellow roses celebrate friendship and joy. Roses flourish best in sunny locations with rich, well-drained soil and regular watering. Although they require more attention than some houseplants, their spectacular blooms make the effort worthwhile. Whether growing in gardens or decorative containers, roses remind us that beauty often comes from patience and dedicated care. Their timeless elegance continues to inspire poets, artists, and gardeners around the world. 7. Sunflower happiness and hope. Sunflowers instantly brighten any garden with their large golden blooms and cheerful appearance. They symbolize happiness, hope, optimism, loyalty, and positive energy because they naturally turn toward the sun as they grow. Watching sunflowers follow sunlight reminds us to focus on positivity even during difficult times. These fast-growing plants thrive in full sunlight and fertile, well-drained soil. Their towering stems and bright flowers also attract birds, bees, and butterflies, making them beneficial for gardens. Sunflowers produce nutritious seeds enjoyed by both wildlife and people. Their bold beauty encourages confidence, resilience, and optimism. Adding sunflowers to your garden is like inviting sunshine into your daily life. 8. Snake plant strength and protection. The snake plant is one of the toughest indoor plants available, making it a powerful symbol of strength, resilience, protection, and endurance. Its upright, sword-shaped leaves represent determination and stability, Many people believe the snake plant helps protect homes from negative energy, while also improving indoor air quality. It tolerates low light, infrequent watering, and occasional neglect, making it perfect for beginners and busy homeowners. Snake plants grow slowly but steadily, teaching us that consistent progress is often more valuable than rapid success. Whether displayed in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, this hardy plant serves as a daily reminder to stay strong through life's challenges. 9. Cherry blossom, new beginnings. Cherry blossoms are famous for their breathtaking yet short-lived blooms. They symbolize renewal, hope, fresh beginnings, and the beauty of life's fleeting moments. Every spring, millions of people gather to admire these delicate pink flowers, celebrating nature's incredible cycle of growth and renewal. Cherry blossom trees thrive in temperate climates with full sun and well-drained soil. Their blossoms remind us to appreciate every season of life because beautiful moments often pass quickly. They inspire gratitude, mindfulness, and optimism for the future. Few plants capture the beauty of change as gracefully as the cherry blossom. 10. Monstera, growth and abundance. Monstera, often called the Swiss cheese plant, has become one of the world's most popular indoor plants, thanks to its dramatic split leaves. Symbolically, it represents growth, abundance, longevity, and personal development. As its leaves become larger and develop natural openings, they reflect continuous improvement and adaptation. Monstera thrives in bright, indirect light with moderate watering and enjoys humid conditions. Its bold tropical appearance instantly transforms any room into a lush indoor oasis. As the plant matures, each new leaf becomes more impressive than the last, reminding us that growth takes time but always leads to something beautiful. Monstera encourages us to embrace change, keep learning, and continue growing throughout life. Every beautiful plant has a story, and every story carries a meaningful message. Whether you choose a peace lily for harmony, a jade plant for prosperity, a sunflower for happiness, or a monstera for personal growth, these plants offer more than decoration. They inspire us every day. Their colors, shapes, and symbolism remind us to appreciate nature while filling our homes with beauty and positive energy. Which meaningful plant is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring plant guides, indoor gardening tips, and beautiful nature content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy planting!